How to sign into United Healthcare Provider Portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign into United Healthcare Provider Portal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So this is what we'll do. First, we'll just head over to uhcprovider.com. So type in uhcprovider.com and hit enter. Now, this is the most straightforward way you will be getting to log in into your account. So head over to uhcprovider.com, and after you're there, tap on the sign in option on the top right corner. After you tap on sign in, it should take you to another page where you will be able to log in into your account. So you can wait while this loads. You can go down below and hit the subscribe button as well. And also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So just let this load. Now this can take some time depending on your internet speed. After the page loads, all you then have to do is type in your email address or your healthcare ID. After you type in your email address or ID, you can then tap on continue, which will take you to another page where you can type in your password. After you type in the password, you'll get logged in into your UNHC provider portal. So that's basically how you do it. And that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.